Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this was our day 3 in Singapore. We are off the cruise now and going to Sentosa Island to check in our hotel. And if you haven't watched episode 1 yet, go check it out first.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober.
Guys, this is Shangri-La Sentosa. We are in our hotel now. It's so beautiful here. Let me show you the view. That's the pool. That's the hotel. It's so beautiful.
Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. There's a storm inside my dreams. I'm still standing on 2 feet. Let the current carry.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is day 4 of Singapore and this is the most awaited day and the day I've been looking forward to since we have decided this trip the most, because it's Universal Studios time. And yes, we're going to Universal Studios today. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning here and I am about to get ready let's go here. Lighting is better. Yes, I'm about to get ready, and yeah, then we'll go down for the breakfast. Those passes at 11 a.m. So we're gonna enjoy that today. Yes, here's my brush. I'm gonna brush my teeth, take a shower real quick, and then yeah, go on with the day. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, so I am all showered and done. That's the fit for the Universal Studios, and yeah, I'm just gonna go get ready, do my hair, and then we'll go down for the breakfast.
Don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, I'm telling you now.
Guys, we are finally in Universal Studios. Let's go.
Now it's whatever, whatever. You caught my eye, whatever. Should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Are you ready for the action?
Let's kick up our boss.
Oh, see. Our second contender He's a daring swashbuckler, the myth, the legend, the most revered outlaw in all of San Ricardo. A round of applause for Puss in Boots.
That's a lot of heel for a guy, don't you think?
Do not make the cat angry. Wait, kitty! Now let the dance fight begin! Now we do the stomping and clapping that I showed you. Stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, clap. Kitty, Puss, and me. Freestyle. Easy, I'm getting it out here. Put your hands together for Puss in Boots. And let's do these applause.
That sounds like an adventure. Can I come along?
Oh, Rachel, are you okay?
Hi, I'm Rachel, by the way.
Hello, Rachel.
The grumpy one is my friend Felix.
So, on our last night in Singapore, we went to the night safari, and honestly, this was the best and the most thrilling experience I've ever had in my life. Like, it was pitch dark, and we were just randomly walking on a path in a jungle, and there were animals everywhere, like all around us. It was so much fun. I definitely recommend going to the night safari.
I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, I wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, I wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you,
yeah, guys, that was it for this week's video. This was Singapore Diaries. I hope you guys had fun watching this as much as I did editing it. And thank you so much for watching it till the end. Don't forget to like and drop a comment down below, and do subscribe to the channel for further updates because there is a lot of content planned. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Until next time, this is Idika signing off. Peace out.